guys, today we're going to the mall. Our auntie's going to get us some dolls. We've been wanting dolls for a long time, guys. Come with us to the mall and you'll see our beautiful dolls. Peace. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
I love you.
I love you too. Dua.
Hey my darlings, hey my loves, if you're new, thank you so much for choosing us. If you've been here, thank you so much for being a day one, my darling. I hope you enjoy. I hope you have subscribed. If you're asking yourself, who is this gorgeous hand here? I am the elegant Curry. I hope you enjoy the family. Welcome to the new vlog. It is a Sunday, Batubaka. You guys, my sister has been promising these kids me poppy for like a week now. So the countdown, we've been saying Saturday or Sunday. So the countdown is now here. It is around 8 o'clock. We just woke up, I did my face, and then let's go get these dolls because Koshaya di dolo. Let's go. And then it is a Sunday. I'll just come back, cook. No, I won't cook. I'm not cooking. I won't cook. Maybe my sister will cook. Maybe Nana. I just wanna wake. I come back from this mall thing. Actually, I got disturbed. If it wasn't of Molo, I'd go to a morning routine. Because I wanted to do Sunday. What care? Kill it. I also want to do my nails. I actually wanted to, but again, I got this face mask. Coffee, face mask. I wanted to legs, but yeah, there's just a lot going on. Let's see if I can come back and shoot for my Sunday self-care moment alone. But yeah, and the kids also have to do their hair. You have to take miriri. So it's just self-care. I'm not even sure. Yo, mommies, you know how we roll. You end up compromising yourself. Because mamani, it was just a lot that we went to get to that shop. I'm gonna shoot also, you guys can sure what we got from that shop. We had the home appliances. We got few things that you guys would love to see, and then you can get for yourself also. I'm gonna unbox washing machine. That's why I get self-care. Next week, because as for now, these things have been there for so they just basically unbox you. So yeah. I'm gonna show you guys when I come back. Actually, I'm gonna unbox with you guys, and then the kids do their hair. I'm just gonna wash her hair, keep my hair dry. I'm not gonna do her hair now. It's a Sunday, you can imagine. You look at the preparation for Monday. So self-care on pause. But yeah, I'm not complaining. Oh, I'm not for now. Let's go and get those me poppies. For our little ones. I hope you enjoy your day. I hope you're preparing for Sunday vibes, be it church, be it family time, be it busy preparation for Monday. Enjoy your beautiful Sunday, Batubaka. Black track suits. Mechi. Oh, in cabs. Mechi.
Yeah.
Matchy. Are you guys matching that side?
Yes.
Oh, baby and I are twins today. Baby and I are twins today. We are twins. Ooh. What are you guys wearing? Cap. And what?
Dress suit.
What?
Dress suit.
Track suits.
Yes.
You're matching? Yes. I'm also watching with Baby D. And Mama Kholo is wearing black as well.
Oh, hi.
We are wearing black.
I am wearing black with Baby D. Ooh, cow. Baby D and I are wearing black. You guys, let's go to the mall. Yay!
All of them.
Ke re ka montong to le cap day / what. So it's all about caps. Re sa tsebeng wa moholo wa capes.
Michael, what?
What is that? One.
I'm the only one who's
Uchamadi?
wearing a red bed.
Sorry, Miss. Ibusuku. Utlo fola ngwana kane.
I'm the only one.
Yo.
Harry is the only one
Who's wearing a red bed cap?
Jesus Christ.
Lord.
Of
Mama, peli, ntoya motho.
Mama apere.
Ntoya motho.
Apere ntwa mothong.
Ya lobala.
Ya robala. Mo jere tsela ntwa robala.
Tsela ntoya lobala.
Ata mo kuba ka mmolong ka ntwa robala. Let's
Ngata ukuba.
wow. Kaya jika go itola ko to.
Ngata ukuba.
Jiga.
Jato mko wa mtoko. Jato mko wa mtoko. Wow.
My darlings, we just came back from the shops. Just came back from Shoprite. Yo, the kids, the kids loves me popilona. No, they are there in the bedroom. At least Moto can do her things kapisi, but I like me pop. I just want to quickly show you what I got, my darlings. These bowls, so beautiful, from Shoprite. This was 99 rand, and then there are 4 with different colors, you know. Ah man, I love them. I love them. Let's unbox them. Ooh. Ah. Isn't this cute? Ah, cute. Oh, and the yellow one. The potatoe one. Like if Nana really put it yellow. Ah, this is nice, you guys. Let's say the green. Go and put it green. These bowls are so nice, my darlings. Look at this color. Like when you make your breakfast or some cereals. I love them. Ooh, I love them. 4 of them for 99 rand. Affordable, right? Yeah. And then yeah, I also wanted to show you guys what we got. Oh, that shop. Oh no, these are the things we got. Vinegar. We got vinegar. My sister was washing the vinegar. Banyana was spoon. Banyana body quantly has washing again. Hat has washing. Uchela vinegar and then achela bicarbonate. And I'm telling you, the clothes they were very much neat, very much shiny. Eh, yeah, man, she's been using this for a while and it's really working. It's really working. This is the home remedies that she uses, and then yeah, it works quite so well. And then the soap, but now I just soap my darlings like want to come for soap oil and everyday thing. Yeah, that's all we got for Shoprite. Yo, January killing castor oil. Ziawa is high. You guys, what do you use for your little ones? We use this. Like we believe in castor oil. So but it's a Sunday. Next week. Next weekend, Ziawa. Bathroom. Because otherwise the season is changing and then you know, plus kitty juicy, you know, kitty December. So as you've seen already, so yeah, it's always the best idea, you know. Yeah. Samaya zena, mañana que blender de verde. You guys, mañana que blender de verde. La face. My darling, I have shown you the shop that we went to. If you are around Pretoria, or if you just love to just come and check for yourself, you guys, even if you're not around Pretoria, you'd find it, or sometimes you come here. The shop is Conally Doyd and Pretoria's.
Appliance for Africa.
What? Appliance for?
For Africa.
Appliance for Africa. That's the name of the shop. Appliance for Africa. What's fuck? So yeah. Keep blender. You guys, this is very much affordable and it looks so nice. It looks so pretty. So yeah.
400.
It's 420. Yeah. What a bargain. What a bargain, mummies. Yeah. What a bargain. Like it's so affordable. And then they showed us whether it's working before they could give it to us. So what we need to do is just to keep the boxes safe, ne?
And the sleep for 3 months.
And the sleep for 3 months, provided there's any faults or you're just not satisfied with some things, then you can simply take it back. But yeah, I love it. Can't wait to use it and see how it works. The other thing was this, a microwave. Girl right here. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful, what's that? These things, you guys, in other shops are very costly. So really, this is really a bargain. What's that? This is really a bargain. 550 rand. How nice, how nice. Oh, nice. Yes, my darling. See? That's all. That's all we got from that shop. And yeah, they look so nice. They look so demure. Cannot wait to use them. I'm so excited. We'll be making this smoothie, you know. Be making this, okay, that cup whereby you should measure the water that you put in. Yeah, my darlings, that's all that we got. So yeah, mommies, don't hesitate if you're looking for affordable stuff. Comment down below. Ask me about it. Ask me the prices. Perhaps some of them I haven't mentioned. I still have the sleep, and I also come. You guys can how are they once we start using them. So yeah, man. Let me see how we're gonna put them around here. Yeah, let's see how we play around with this, and then I make breakfast. 2. darlings, just wanted to do this grocery haul with you guys. So yeah, we got veggies, bread, sishebo, fruits, you know, all of this lunchbox things I showed you guys. So got this at Food Lovers. All of this costed 2.487. Oh, what's about 2.5. Like grocery, my darlings. But yeah, you guys, that's all I wanted to share with you today. I think I'm gonna close this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed, my darlings. I hope you will subscribe. Kindly like this video now, and yeah, remember to tell your friends, to tell their friends, to tell their friends. Riga has a YouTube channel. Thanks, my darlings. Mwah.